Rapid fire questions here, all right?
Sure.
Like we get guys asking me the same questions all the time, which feel free to ask me the questions all the time. That's what I'm here for. But people would be like, okay, can I go to the gym?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I swim?
Yes.
Okay. Is it good in those intimate moments?
Yes, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Putting it delicately. Okay, can I surf?
Yes, absolutely.
Yep. Can you go cycling?
Yep.
Yep. Rock climbing?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you do backflips when you dance?
I go to gymnastics like training.
Okay. So
Fine.
it's fine.
Jumping
okay.
into the foam pit.
Jumping
My hair's still on my head.
Yeah, right. Okay. Yeah. Have you gone skydiving?
No, I haven't.
No,
but that's not because of the hair. I'm scared of that.
I have other clients who've gone skydiving and it's been totally fine. Okay.
Good to know.
Have you driven in a convertible with your hair?
Yes.
Yeah. Was it fine?
Perfect.
Good?
Yeah. I actually had hair blowing in the wind, so I was more excited about that.
Very nice. And yeah, of course, you dance. So can you dance with it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Can you sleep in it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, of course.
It's nothing.
Shower?
Yep.
Yep.
Easy.
Of course. It's interesting. People ask me, can you go for a swim? And then they'll ask, can you go for a shower? Swimming is way more intense than being in the shower. But do you wash it on your head?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
How easy is it to style?
The easiest it's ever been in my entire life. Even when my hair was good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's just great hair.
Okay.
It's brilliant.
Yeah. Fantastic. That's really good. Okay. Is it affordable?
Yes.
Maintenance. Do you spend much time on it?
No.
No.
Less than I did with my natural hair.
All right, yeah, when you had all the powders and stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, okay. Have you ever been on a yacht or a boat at high speed or even just any speed with your hair?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it was the windiest night too. It was night. It was
really?
the 30th. It was a birthday party.
Oh.
So it was like, we were going through the harbour. It was windy as, and still my head.
Still look good?
Hair looked great.
Yeah.
It was blowing in the wind. It looked beautiful. So
Yeah.
no complaints here.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's
no
really
complaints.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
But how's your experience been with the lace?
I personally love the lace. I think that it's so breathable, especially for someone so physical. So I love that because, heat rises.
Yeah.
So it's really good for me personally. Even when I'm showering, I can still feel the water coming down on my head, and it feels just as normal and nice as always.
Yeah.
Even like scratching or brushing, I can actually feel that on my scalp.
Yeah.
I don't feel the system. I actually can feel my scalp.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And how about those hot days? Can you feel the wind blowing through your hair?
Yes.
You can?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's exciting because I never had that nice hair blowing in the wind, and now I do.
And how about when it rains? How does the hair function when it rains?
I'm finally not fussed about the rain.
Yeah.
Because before I would have the hair fiber powder stuff in.
Yeah.
And if it rained, I would have like a panic attack thinking, oh my God, there's going to be black powder coming down my face.
Right.
So for me, like when it's like a wet, kind of rain head, I'm like, it still looks good. I'm like, it looks great. So honestly, there's no worry for me with that.
Yeah. Thank you for spending time with us, and thank you, Chris. And if you have further questions, pop them down in the comments. I'll do my best to respond to them in the best way that I can. And we look forward to catching up with you soon, and look forward to catching up with you soon.
Yeah.
It's been great. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.